Take a deep breath. Now gently bring this thought into your mind. All is good, even if things seem messy, even if life feels heavy. There is a deeper truth waiting beneath it all, a higher view, a quiet strength. Let's begin there, by simply choosing to believe. All is good. We are stepping into a new way of thinking, a higher level of understanding, and a deeper growth of our inner, spiritual life. In the world of spirit, there is no pain. There is no sorrow, no grief, and no loss. There are no failures, no mistakes, no setbacks. There is only peace. There is only harmony. There is only perfection. You see, the time we're living in right now, this generation, has not yet fully understood the deeper spiritual truth. Most people still live with a very physical way of thinking. We focus on what we can see, touch, or experience with our senses. That's why things like pain, loss, sickness, or disappointment feel so real and so heavy to us. We are still connected closely to the material world. And because of that, our minds react strongly to problems, setbacks, and suffering. Now, someday, humanity will grow into a higher level of awareness, a place where we see only good, even when things look difficult on the surface. But we shouldn't expect everyone to suddenly get there right away. This kind of spiritual growth takes time. It's a journey, step by step. Right now, we are still learning, still waking up. And that's okay. You and I, we're not just these physical bodies. Deep inside, we are part of something greater, something infinite. We are spirit, and in spirit, we are already perfect. But our bodies don't always show that perfection, do they? Sometimes we get sick, we feel weak, or we struggle. That's not because our spirit is lacking. It's because of how we've been trained to think over the years. Our habits, our beliefs, our past ways of thinking, they shape our reality. But here's the good news. The more we return to right thinking, the more the spirit inside us begins to shine through. And one day, that inner perfection will start showing up on the outside too, through good health, peace of mind, and a deep sense of well-being. Yes, right now, we still feel pain, loss, and sadness. We still notice setbacks and sorrow. That's because we're still in the process of growing, like a butterfly still inside its cocoon. But slowly, as we grow in understanding, something beautiful happens. The spirit inside us will begin to take over. It will calm the body, quiet the mind, and bring harmony where there was once chaos. One day, we won't be shaken by pain or problems anymore. We'll see beyond them. That's the path we're on. And if we want to reach that higher place, we must begin now with the right kind of thoughts. Just like we plant seeds today for the crops we'll harvest tomorrow, our thoughts today shape the life we'll live tomorrow. So let's start planting peace, harmony, truth. Let's think higher so we can live higher. When we want to build a house, we first make a plan today, and then we start building it tomorrow. If someone creates a product, they design it today and sell it tomorrow. A farmer plants seeds today and waits patiently for the harvest tomorrow. Even when it comes to your career or your dreams, you build it step by step, starting now, and see the results later. It's the same with our thoughts. The way we think today, what we believe, what we focus on, shapes the life we will live tomorrow. And not just our own life, but the life of the next generation too. If we want the people of tomorrow, our children and their children, to live in peace, free from sorrow, pain, fear, and failure, then we must start planting better thoughts today. So let us plant kindness, peace, and hope now, so that tomorrow's world can be more beautiful, more loving, and more free. Now let me tell you what kind of seed we should plant today. It's a simple but powerful thought. All is good. Say it gently in your heart. All is good. Not because everything looks perfect right now, but because, deep in spirit, everything is already perfect. In spirit, there is no mistake, no loss, no lack. Just peace, order, and love. When you say all is good and truly mean it, you begin to shift how you think, how you feel, and even how your body responds. Why? Because spirit is higher than matter. Spirit gives life to matter. And when you focus on the goodness in spirit, that goodness begins to show itself in your daily life. So every time you think, speak, or feel all is good, you are not only helping yourself, you're helping prepare a better world for those who come after us. You're getting ready for a brighter, more peaceful future for yourself and for the next generation. If you want to live with more peace, better health, true success, and lasting happiness, start with this one practice. Say over everything in your life, all is good. If something goes wrong, say, all is good. If you lose something, say, all is good. If someone misunderstands you, say, all is good. If you feel sad, hurt, or shaken, still say, all is good. This isn't pretending. It's choosing to see life from a higher, spiritual place, where only good truly exists. No matter what happens, speak the words, all is good. Think it, feel it, live it, and soon, you'll begin to feel the peace and power that come from it. This one thought can change everything. When you repeat the words, all is good, when you think it, feel it, and live it, you begin to send powerful energy into your life. This thought can lift you above your problems. It can turn your past mistakes into learning, your struggles into strength, and your pain into purpose. Right now, take a quiet moment. Sit in stillness. Let go of the outside noise, and softly say in your heart, I enter the silence, this month, this day, this hour, this very minute. Feel your mind calm. Feel your spirit awaken. Let yourself come under the gentle guidance of something higher, what we call the divine spirit. In this moment, choose to see only the good. In others, see goodness. In nature, see beauty. In your experiences, yes, even the difficult ones, find something good. Let this become your way of thinking, your way of seeing the world. All is good, now, today, and forever. Because what is spirit? Spirit is love. And what is love? Love is perfection. God is spirit. And God's spirit is always in harmony. And so are you. You are love. You are harmony. You are part of that same perfection. So walk through life with this truth in your heart. All is good.